Back in the Geico Family Kitchen, it's Meal with the Missus, episode 5, and after a slight detour for the past couple of episodes, we did breakfast, we did snack with the muffins most recently. We're going to go back to the staple and dinner, and a recipe in Korean beef and rice that we make all the time, and in fact has been a part of our menu for several years now.
Correct. So this is again a recipe that I got from the Taste of Home, Simple and Delicious. It can be ready in 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes. You probably have everything in your kitchen right now to make it.
We've done curry, so we've covered India. Now we're going to the Far East. We're going to Korea. And if you're not so much into Far Eastern food, I suggest give this one a try because it's a really nice mix of some traditional stuff, some stuff that you have around the house and may have tried in the past, and also it'll expand your taste horizons just enough to make it interesting. So let's dig into the recipe now.
So for this recipe, again, we use ground turkey a lot, but you can also use ground beef, ground chicken, whatever you would prefer. So we'll get that started in the pan. For any of our recipes, we use minced garlic simply because it's quick and easy. At the same time that we are browning the meat, we're going to get our rice going. Start to finish, this recipe takes only about 15 minutes, which is usually about what it takes for rice. So that's why we're going to do them at the same time. We're going to be making the mixture that we're going to eventually pour onto the browned meat. You can use soy. You'll see that the recipe is for soy sauce. We use coconut aminos in our household. We also are going to use a little bit of sesame oil. And then for our spices, we are going to have ginger and crushed red pepper flakes. If you want it spicier, you can always add more. Or if you misread the amount in the recipe, as someone in this household has done before, it'll give an extra kick.
Just note that sometimes teaspoon looks like tablespoon and vice versa.
And then we're just going to simply mix that together. And then to top off our recipe, we are going to use the green onions, just the bottom parts, as kind of a accoutrement.
Nice job.
French for a Korean recipe. And once we get everything mixed, we're just going to cook it for a few additional minutes to make sure that everything is heated thoroughly and plate it. So we'll have our rice and then top with our green onions.
When did plate become a verb? I don't like it very much.
So again, start to finish, 25 minutes max.
So say it with me, kids, versatility. Once again, there are several substitutions in play with this one. You can use any version of protein, and the rice also can be mixed and matched.
We do jasmine rice just because that's what we have in the house, but white rice, brown rice, and if you want to make it even faster, you can get the bag of 90-second rice and put it in the microwave.
We're not all about spending time in here in the kitchen. We want to spend more time out there in the dining room eating it.
Correct, and we have baby number 2 coming in just a few more weeks, so
is that happening?
Time is going to be very valuable and not wasting it in the kitchen.
Oh boy, we do have quite a bit ahead of us, but hey, maybe you do too, and I'm sure you'll enjoy Korean beef and rice on this edition of Meal with the Missus.